Guys.
What's up, ninja?
What are you up to?
Huh?
What are you up to?
Nothing.
What are you gonna do today?
Nothing. Just to trim my curl like 2 inches.
Alright, let's go get the ramps. I have to use this one today because my GoPro is fucking dead as fuck and water's going inside your car. As you talk, look at that. Water damage.
Water damage, clothes damage, all kinds of clothes damage. Damn, all messy.
It does, huh? O'Reilly's.
Is it 10W30? Is it? Is it?
Damn, this shit's coming out clean.
What?
To film on this shit? Like, that shit.
Fancy gloves too? MJ? Give us touch your wiener.
Not with that hand. What's up, bro? What are you up to, boy?
Are those MJ gloves?
About to do corrido right now.
I'm Marco Colina. We brought our tools, you know.
That's
Or
what I
his
needed.
tools.
That's what I needed. What? A royal purple? What?
You smell the thong up in here, guys?
I don't. Oh, when did you start using this?
That's all I've been putting in my car now, dude.
Really?
Royal Purple sponsor?
Yeah, dude. Royal Purple, sponsor me. Get at me, bro.
Get at me. Get stepped on. I've been waiting. Corre, güey.
¿Ponle qué? Oh.
Oh, el cameraman. El cameraman. No
I can't grab nothing. Hola, hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Fuck. Now I have to work. Hey.
¿Qué onda?
Aquí nomás. Hey.
Yeah. Creative JDS, bro.
You only had one?
Oh, Chris.
Yeah, I only had one.
Chilling? Oh. So this is Chris's new car? Oh.
No, I'll just put one on one track. Yeah, jack on one track. Jack on.
Blown engine.
Yeah, I get you, bro. I'm trip.
What the fuck? Look at that shit, guys. What the fuck? No modifications at all.
Something your car needed to take out the other car.
Hey, took it out, bitch. So the only reason my engine popped is because I raced a stupid ass fucking WRS. Cold start, I'm guessing. That's how I popped my engine. If you still have the picture, I'll show you guys. But he crashed. He happened to crash the other 350 in the freeway. It was raining. His what is it? ABS or whatever. Traction control didn't work good and slipped out and everything. So this is a new one. This shit's so clean, dude. I like it. So what are you guys doing today, boy?
We're gonna put some Brembos on.
And what else, sir?
And that's it. We don't have no more.
Actually, I did reverse mine up.
You haven't seen me, bro? Low tech. Get at me.
So Chris had Brembos. That's just gonna snap.
It's gonna snap real quick.
As easy as it snapped on your fucking legs. How much do you think that shit weighs?
Ese no es wood. Close on, boy. Ah, fuck.
Look at that shit, guys. Who has seen that shit happen?
What did you want here?
Hey, thank you.
What?
Must have ready to go broken.
Huh?
The ratchet broke. Alright, there you go.
Look at that. Oh, baby.
Are you? I thought you hit your fucking head, dog. I'm taking a fat leak.
Ah, damn it.
Ramp set up to perfection. New wrench for it by itself or no?
Yeah. Where'd you buy it? That's why I was asking you.
Fuck you.
Yeah, they thought we were.
Don't go back, bitch.
Alright, can I go over your hat?
You broke it. You didn't make a hole?
It's not my car. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Ah, I'm just kidding. Hey, you know what, fool? We're going the other way on the other side of the...
Oh, we're going. Look at that shit.
Well, these fuckers tighten it too fucking much. These shits
do.
don't go tight. They don't...
And sponsorship.
Oh, you took it out?
Yeah. But look at that big ass hole on the side of it.
Patch it.
Reuse. See your face?
No, babe.
What? Okay, the oil on the eyebrow. So it is raining.
And my oil's purple. What?
Purple. Everything is purple, dog.
Everything is purple. Did someone grab my bowl?
How the fuck they gonna grab your bolt? No one wants to grab bolts right here.
Oh. Stop, bitch. It's not in here, dog.
Well, check.
Ah, you're looking good.
Double check. What if it is?
What?
What if it is? Double check. Here, look. Let
It's
me.
not in there. It's somewhere out here somewhere. It's not in there. I knew it. See? I fucking... Yeah, now I'm going to get my nails done. Damn it. Damn it.
Looks pretty good. Así yo estaba la otra vez, man. I was looking for like a thumbnail, and it was inside the oil.
Really? Who the fuck drops it in there though?
I was right here.
Dude, if you don't look for it, then you never know.
Ah, it's in your hand, you fuck.
Look at that shit. Let's see. What up? First caliper out. Oh, was that motor?
Yeah.
Oh look, he spray painted this blue and all that blue because he knew racing was life, so he had
10 extra horsepower.
Oh, 10 extra horsepower, guys. Oh yeah, it's raining, so I have this over me and shit. Look, You want to see if one's stripped or something?
Yeah, you gotta make sure, yeah. 'Cause I don't want to put it on and then que se joda adentro and then it's gonna be a mission.
So Chris, oh yeah, I forgot. So this shit right here, the Brembos are too big for that shit. Because the caliper is way too big and it's hitting this right here. Yeah. So Pollo's gonna go ahead and cut that shit off. Or bend it now, cut it off later.
Just take it off. Just say that for the camera.
We're gonna take it completely off. How's it looking back there? She doesn't look a thing like Jesus?
Nothing like Jesus, man. He talks like a gentleman, man. Y luego dice que no me quieres, güey. That's okay, so. Only with you, though. Only with you. I'll be top, though. I'll be top.
Fuck no.
I don't care nobody,
No matter this relationship.
Who be the ball? Who be the screw, huh?
I'll screw you, pero te voy a ir a... Hey, don't cut that shit out. They say the devil's water, it ain't so sweet.
You're good, just go down. That's it.
They said it like this. Go down.
Go. You good?
Espérate. Quítate para adelante. Forward on la madera.
Oh no. Oh no.
Espérate, ahí, espérate. Dale. Back. Dale para atrás ya. Go. El otro, ¿cómo está? Es que se rompió este.
Oh, because of this. Move the camera. Got the camera.
Oh shit, my bad.
Put it on top, just.
Alright, if you guys can see right here, this has to be bent. Cut it out. The caliper is way too big for it, I guess. The bottom one will. So we're gonna be bending this shit.
Why don't you get a mechanic job, bro?
Huh?
Why don't you get a job as a mechanic?
Cause they'll fire me cause I'm too good, bro.
Alright, I'll make sure it's good. I got you. No worries, Richard.
Oh shit, sorry.
Don't put the camera away. Don't even worry about it.
Huh?
You should have put the camera. Está todo bien.
Hopefully my shit don't die right now, but you see that plastic thing removal?
Bro, look at this shit in here, bro. Get out of here.
That's when you know you put layers on top of layers and layers and layers. Remember that one time you got those fucking rims and the motherfucker just put like one layer on them?
Yeah.
So we are putting this one in, and then covered everything because it's fucking raining and shit. We did put this one in nice, and then we have the front ones. I'm not sure if we're gonna do them today because it's raining.
The brake pad, agarre.
So, look at that. He needs bigger rotors because then the brakes won't be rubbing good.
But it's still gonna run. It's still gonna get it right.
Yeah, it'll break.
But
It'll be good and everything. It's just
it's the new rotors. That's us. See, big ass space. The brakes are right here, and it won't hit right good. So the brake, oh shit, it's like a little.
That can be.
I'm gonna say like half an inch out.
that's what I'm saying.
Still catch, but who knows?
How do you feel it?
Fucking stiff as shit. You guys have any more?
Does it go in all the way?
No, it's stiff on top. Like I can go like an inch.
That's good.
Yeah?
You don't want it to go down. That's when it's bad. When it goes down, there's no brake power. You want it to be straight
Maciz?
on the fucking macizo on the rotor.
Fuck. Then the brakes are hitting good, dog. Alright guys, so we're done with Boner's 350. All the fluids are topped off and all that good stuff. Here's Boyle finishing off the back. This is Chris, owner of the 350 06. So this is what it is, or what it looked like before. Mind you, those are stock calipers and all that good shit up in there. Regular cheap fucking Nissan calipers. Now this is the kind of rims, stern rims. Don't know where the fuck they are. And this, if Boyle would move the fuck out of the way, is how they look now.
Let's go right now. Well, we test drive it too.
That looks really good now, guys. He has his own rims that he had on the other crash 350Z. And take you guys around. This side's done as well. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. Get a better look. Lighting more better. That one's done as well. This fucking cactus kept going down like plenty of times. I was gonna ask Chris to see the pictures of the other 350Z. If that's fine with you, sir?
I'll send it to you. You can post it.
Alright, even better. I'll get them a little bit later. And what the fuck? Okay, so once again, guys, this is 06. All this on top of his shit is aftermarket. Look at that shit. Looking really nice. Probably be a bitch to take out the spark plug on this shit. So everything good, and shout out Boyle for breaking my my tools. Right here, over here, bitch. Look at that shit. It shouldn't be flat, guys. It shouldn't be flat at all. That right there should be on there. So where the fuck's our where the So have a good one, guys. I am looking in prices for the motor. I'm saving and saving for that shit, and well, more to come with other people's vehicle right here in Street Monsters. And once again, this is Street Monsters. Keep tuned, stay watching, and shout out to everyone. Shout out to Boner, shout out Chowder, shout out Chris right here, shout out Boyle. I'll be putting their Instagrams below on the bio or the description. Shout out Reyes, shout out Angel, shout out Oscar. All their names will be down there, all the way down there. If you guys click, see the extra, show more, boom, it's going to be right there. So once again, this is it. This is Street Monsters. Stay tuned. Keep watching, guys.